Wait a second. How are these still $1? While prices have gone up everywhere and most Dollar Tree items quietly jumped to $1.25, I stumbled onto something that stopped me mid-aisle. A handful of products never changed price at all, and some of them are absolute gold for gardeners. I double-checked the tags, scanned the shelves, and even compared them to big box prices just to make sure I wasn't imagining it. What I found honestly surprised me. Welcome back to Timeless Gardening. If you love stretching your budget without sacrificing results, you're in the right place. Today I'm breaking down the Dollar Tree items that somehow slipped through the price hikes and are still locked at $1. I'll show you which ones are actually worth grabbing, which ones you can skip, and how I use the best finds in my own garden. Stick with me to the end, because one of these is something gardeners usually pay $10 or more for, and if this kind of real-world testing saves you money, go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and let's grow smarter together. Product number 1: Dollar Tree seed packets. These seed packets might look small, but don't underestimate them. At just $1, they're one of the easiest ways to experiment in your garden without committing to expensive varieties. Big box stores often charge $3 to $5 for a single packet, and while those usually contain more seeds, Dollar Tree packets are perfect for succession planting, filling in bare spots, or trying something new just for fun. I especially like using these when I'm testing crops or starting a second round later in the season. What really matters here is knowing how to shop smart. Always flip the packet over and check the packed for date so you're getting viable seeds. I've had surprisingly good germination rates when I'm careful about that. For beginner gardeners or anyone working with limited space, these $1 seed packets are a low-risk, high-reward way to grow more without blowing your budget. Product number 2. Plant labels and garden markers. These might not be flashy, but they're one of those tools you don't realize you need until everything in your garden starts looking the same. For $1, you get a full pack of plant labels, which is a steal compared to garden centers charging several dollars for fewer pieces. I use them in raised beds, containers, and seed trays to keep track of varieties, planting dates, and even fertilizer schedules. The real value here is organization. When you know exactly what's planted and where, it's easier to spot problems, plan harvests, and learn what actually performs well in your space. Use a permanent marker or paint pen so the writing doesn't fade, and you'll get multiple seasons out of a single pack. Simple, cheap, and genuinely useful. Product number 3. Spray bottles. These small spray bottles are one of those quiet workhorses every gardener ends up needing. For just $1, they're perfect for mixing foliar feeds, neem oil, insecticidal soap, or even just misting seedlings and houseplants. I keep several on hand, so each solution has its own bottle, which saves time and avoids mistakes. What makes these especially useful is their size and control. You're not wasting product, and you can target exactly where you need to spray instead of soaking everything. Add a piece of tape and a marker to label each bottle, and you've got an organized, reusable system that would easily cost 3 or 4 times more anywhere else. Product number 4. Plastic trays. These simple plastic trays are one of the most underrated finds in the store. For $1, you get a sturdy, lightweight tray that works perfectly as a seed starting base, a drip catcher for pots, or even a soil mixing station. I use them constantly during planting season because they keep messes contained and make cleanup fast. What I love most is how reusable they are. Rinse them off, stack them up, and they're ready for the next round. Compared to specialty garden trays that cost several dollars each, these do the exact same job without the price tag. Once you start using them, you'll wonder how you ever gardened without a few on hand. Product number 5. Garden twine. Garden twine is one of those basics every gardener reaches for again and again, and somehow it's still just $1. This roll is perfect for tying up tomatoes, supporting peppers, training climbing plants, or even marking rows when you're planting. Similar twine at garden centers often costs $4 to $6, so this is an easy win. What makes it especially useful is its versatility. It's strong enough to hold growing plants but gentle enough not to damage stems when used properly. I keep a roll in my garden basket all season long, and it never goes to waste. Simple, reliable, and absolutely worth grabbing when you see it. Product number 6. Small terracotta pots. These small terracotta pots are a hidden gem, especially for just $1. Depending on the store, you'll often get 2 or even 3 in a pack, which is a steal compared to nursery prices. They're perfect for starting herbs, propagating cuttings, or growing succulents, and they dry out evenly, which helps prevent overwatering. Beyond everyday planting, these pots are surprisingly versatile. I use them for gifting herbs, organizing seedlings, and even bottom watering smaller plants. They're breathable, reusable, and durable when handled with care. For gardeners who love both function and a classic look, these are absolutely worth stocking up on. Product number 7. Soil pH testing strips. This one is the real shocker. Soil pH testing strips for $1 is almost unheard of, and they're one of the most useful tools you can have as a gardener. Your soil's pH directly affects how plants absorb nutrients, and if it's off, even the best fertilizer won't help. These same strips often cost $8 to $12 elsewhere, so finding them at this price is a big deal. They're simple to use and incredibly eye-opening. Test a few spots in your garden and you might be surprised how different the results are from one bed to another. Knowing your pH helps you choose the right plants, amend your soil properly, and avoid wasted effort. For $1, this is easily one of the smartest garden buys you can make. Product number 8. Rubber gloves. These reusable rubber gloves are a classic, and at just $1, they're an absolute steal for any gardener. They might not look fancy, but they protect your hands from everything from thorny roses and prickly tomatoes to dirt, fertilizers, and even chemical sprays. I go through a lot of gloves each season, so having a cheap, reliable pair that I can toss in the garden bag without worrying is a huge time saver. They fit comfortably, provide decent grip, and make every gardening task from digging and pruning to potting and harvesting so much cleaner and easier. What really makes them stand out is how many different ways you can use them. I keep one pair strictly for dirty work, another for handling fertilizers or soil amendments, and a clean pair just for harvesting fruits, vegetables, and herbs. That way I'm not transferring dirt or contaminants between tasks. For $1, you can stock up and always have a fresh pair ready, which is something that would cost a lot more if you were buying gloves at big box stores. Durable, versatile, and surprisingly essential, these gloves prove that sometimes the simplest dollar finds are the most valuable. Product number 9. Fertilizer spikes. Fertilizer spikes might seem small and simple, but they're a gardener's secret weapon, and at just $1, they're an absolute bargain. These little spikes release nutrients slowly over 6 to 8 weeks, giving container plants and small garden beds a steady feed without the hassle of mixing liquid fertilizers every few days. I use them in potted herbs, tomato plants, and even flowers, and they make keeping plants healthy so much easier. For $1, you're getting an easy, low-maintenance solution that big box stores often charge 4 or 5 times more for. The beauty of these spikes is in their convenience and precision. You simply stick one into the soil near the roots, and it starts working immediately. There's no guesswork, no mess, and you can plant them at the same time you transplant seedlings or move pots around. I even keep a few on hand during the growing season, so I can refresh my plants' nutrients as needed without breaking the bank. For anyone managing containers, raised beds, or small garden sections, these $1 fertilizer spikes are an absolute steal and a must-have for stress-free plant care. Product number 10. Mesh produce bags. These mesh produce bags are a surprisingly versatile find at just $1 for a 3-pack. At first glance, they might seem like a kitchen item, but in the garden they're a game changer. I use them for harvesting herbs, drying flowers, storing garlic or onion bulbs, and even keeping small fruits like cherry tomatoes safe from pests. Their breathable design allows air circulation, which prevents mold and rot, making them perfect for long-term storage without taking up much space. What I love most is how reusable and multi-purpose they are. You can toss them in the laundry if they get dirty, and they hold up season after season. I've also used them to transport seedlings safely, carry garden tools, or even organize small garden accessories like plant clips and seed packets. For $1, these mesh bags do the job of multiple expensive storage solutions, making them one of the smartest finds for anyone serious about gardening efficiency and organization. Product number 11. Measuring cups and spoons. Measuring cups and spoons might seem basic, but in the garden, they're indispensable. And at just $1, they're a total steal. Precise measurement is key when mixing fertilizers, soil amendments, or pest control solutions. Too much or too little of any ingredient can harm your plants. So having dedicated measuring tools ensures accuracy every time. I always keep a set specifically for garden use, separate from the kitchen, so there's no risk of cross-contamination. What makes these even better is their versatility and durability. I use them not only for mixing liquids, but also for portioning granular fertilizers, compost amendments, or even small amounts of seeds. They're lightweight, easy to clean, and simple to store in a small drawer or bin in my gardening station. When you think about how often accurate measuring affects plant health and success, these dollar store cups and spoons become one of the smartest, most practical tools in your garden arsenal. Product number 12. Small plastic storage bins. Small plastic storage bins with lids are another hidden gem at just $1. They might look simple, but they're perfect for keeping seeds organized, dry, and protected. I use them to separate seeds by type, planting season, or even family. Everything from vegetables to herbs stays neat and easy to find. The tight-fitting lids prevent moisture and pests from getting in, which is crucial for maintaining seed viability. Beyond seed storage, these bins are incredibly versatile. I use them to store plant tags, fertilizer spikes, small tools, and other garden accessories, keeping my workspace clutter-free and efficient. They're stackable, lightweight, and durable, which means they can last for years without breaking. For anyone looking to organize their garden supplies without spending a fortune, these small storage bins are a must-have, simple, practical, and an absolute bargain at just $1 each. Product number 13. Microfiber cloths. Microfiber cloths might seem like a small everyday item, but in the garden they're surprisingly essential, and at just $1 for a 2-pack, they're a steal. I use them for everything from gently wiping dust off houseplant leaves, to cleaning tools and sprayers after use. Dust and grime on leaves block sunlight, reducing photosynthesis, so keeping foliage clean actually helps your plants grow stronger and healthier. They're soft, absorbent, and won't scratch delicate surfaces, which makes them perfect for all types of plants and containers. What makes these cloths even more valuable is their versatility and longevity. I also use them to wipe down benches, pots, and even harvest containers, keeping my entire gardening space neat and organized. You can wash them, reuse them season after season, and they hold up surprisingly well considering the price. For anyone serious about plant care and maintaining a tidy, efficient garden, these microfiber cloths are a tiny investment that pays off in healthier plants and cleaner workspaces. Simple, practical, and an absolute dollar store win. Now you might be wondering, do these dollar finds actually work in real life? I put all 13 items to the test in my garden this week, and the results were impressive. I planted seeds from the Dollar Tree packets, and many of them germinated just as well as more expensive brands. The small spray bottles made foliar feeding and pest control so easy. I labeled each one for a different solution, and switching between tasks was seamless. The terracotta pots and plastic trays held up perfectly, whether for propagating herbs or starting seedlings, and the fertilizer spikes steadily nourished my container plants without any extra effort. Even the pH strips gave accurate, reliable readings, helping me adjust soil amendments where necessary. From organizing seeds in small bins to cleaning dusty leaves with microfiber cloths, each item proved surprisingly practical and durable, making my gardening routine smoother and more efficient. Before you rush to grab these deals, a few tips to make sure you get the most value. First, not every Dollar Tree stocks the same items, so availability can vary. Call ahead or check multiple locations if you're hunting for something specific. Second, these $1 finds tend to sell out fast, so don't wait too long if you spot a gem. Third, always inspect each item for quality. Look for cracks in pots, leaks in spray bottles, or worn packaging. And with seeds, check the packed for or expiration date. Older seeds have lower germination rates. Following these simple checks ensures that every dollar you spend delivers real results in your garden, rather than frustration. And there you have it. $13 tree garden items that somehow stayed at just $1, and each one proved its worth in real use. From seeds to spray bottles, pH strips to storage bins, these simple finds make gardening easier, more organized, and way more affordable. With just $13, you can grab tools and supplies that would easily cost $50 or more at big box stores, saving money while still getting quality results. Which of these surprised you the most? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear about any $1 garden gems you've discovered too. If this video helped you save money, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more budget-friendly gardening hacks. Next week, I'm testing $5 tree garden products that are complete wastes of money, so you definitely don't want to miss it. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next one.